Kia is currently testing a new pickup truck under camouflage, and based on the latest spy photos, we believe that it will look very similar to these renders. In terms of design, it gets inspiration from the latest Kia models, coming with vertical headlights, with a massive grille, and with L-shaped taillights. The powertrain is expected to be a 2.5-liter petrol engine making up to 280 horsepower. A 3-liter diesel engine might also be offered in selected markets. Inside, the dashboard might feature a single piece of glass hosting a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen. Guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks!